Yes. So today we are going to start with the new lesson moments, page number 1919 in the kingdom of fools. Yes, shall we start? Everyone is paying attention?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll start. Let the pencil be in your hand. If any
Yes,
difficult
ma'am.
words are there, you have to underline those difficult words. Okay? And then
Okay,
you
ma'am.
have to find the meanings also of the difficult words. आपको meanings भी find करनी है difficult words की. Underline करनी है और फिर आपको meanings भी घर में find करनी है. चलिए. It is believed that fools are so dangerous that only very wise people can manage them. Now, what is the difference between wise and fool? Wise means a clever person. A fool means the person who lacks wisdom. Yes?
बेवकूफ.
बेवकूफ. Very good. बेवकूफ. और wise मतलब होशियार. है ना? जी.
हाँ मैम, मेरे जैसा.
हाँ, very good. Now let us see who are the fools in the story. इस स्टोरी में कौन से किसको बेवकूफ़ बनाया है और कितने बेवकूफ़ हैं वो हम देख लेंगे, ठीक है? और उन
मैम ये
बेवकूफ़ों का
स्टोरी मुझे
क्या
आधी
होता
आधी
है?
आती है मैम.
हाँ जी, बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी है. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट विद इट. एवरीवन पे अटेंशन
मैम
इन
मैं
द
थोड़ा
टेक्स्ट बुक.
एक्सप्लेन करूँ मैम.
जी नहीं, मैं कर रही हूँ आपको, आप लास्ट में एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिएगा, ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
जी. इन द किंगडम ऑफ, मैं आपसे फिर समरी पूछ लूँगी. ये पहले मैं एक्सप्लेन कर लूँ, फिर आप समरी बता दीजिए, ठीक है? In the kingdom of fools, both the king and the minister were idiots. Now there was a certain village. There was a king and his minister. Who is the minister? हाँ जी, उसका कौन मंत्री होगा ना, मीन्स द मेन पर्सन. यू कैन से आप आज जैसे हम सेक्रेटरी रखते हैं या पर्सनल असिस्टेंट जैसे रखते हैं, वैसे ही ये उनके ज़माने में किंग का एक मिनिस्टर था जो बहुत ज़्यादा खास था, जिसको सब पता था उसके किंग के बारे में, किंग के किंगडम के बारे में, अकाउंट से रिलेटेड जो भी बात होती थी वो मिनिस्टर से किया करते थे, ठीक है? और इस इनके किंगडम में किंग भी फूल था और उसके मिनिस्टर भी फूल्स थे. They did not want to run things like other kings, so they decided to change night into day and day into night. What they decided, that what other people are doing, we don't have to bother for that. Why they are following day as day and night as night? We will follow the opposite thing. We will do the day activities in the night time and the night activities in the daytime. Understood? What the king told to the minister? That we are going to follow the opposite way of the people. They ordered that everyone should be awake at night, till their fields and run their businesses only after dark and go to bed as soon as the sun came up. Now, what was their funda? What the rule was made? That at the night time everyone is going to work, and as soon as the sun is going to rise, that means at the morning time you have to sleep. Okay, and then again when evening is there, when at night time you have to wake up at evening time, you have to go for work, and whatever business will be there you have to do at night time. So this was a change what was done in the kingdom of fools. Anyone who disobeyed would be punished with death. The people did as they were told for fear of death. So everyone was fearing king and his minister. So what they thought, that whatever we have to follow them. Neither they will kill us, and we don't want to sacrifice our lives like this. Right? So they told that whatever is it, we are going to follow them. The king and the minister were delighted at the success of their project. So the king and the minister, when they saw that all the people are following them, yes, they are listening to them, so they were very happy to know this. One day, a guru and his disciple arrived in the city. Now, once upon a time, what happened, when this structure was going on, the day was night time and night was daytime. At that time, in that period, one guru and his shishya, disciple is shishya. So, one guru and his shishya visited that village, and it was a beautiful city. The city was very beautiful. It was It was broad daylight, but there was no one about. When they came in the day night, naturally, when we are going for traveling or when we are doing any work, we'll do at daytime itself. So these people, the minister and the king, they also visited the village at daytime, but they were surprised to see that there was not a single person in the village, and they were confused. Everyone was asleep, not a mouse stirring. Means everyone, they found that everyone was sleeping in the daytime, and not even a mouse, a small mouse was also not moving. A mouse was also sleeping. Even the cattle had been taught to sleep by day. Even the cattle means what? The cows, the buffaloes, the goats, everyone, the horses, everyone was taught to sleep at daytime and they have to get awake by night time. The two strangers were amazed by what they saw around them and wandered around town till evening, when suddenly the whole town woke up and went about its nightly business. So they were roaming, they were wandering here and there in search of food, in search of water, in search of other things. They wanted to buy something, but there were no shops open. So they had to wait for the evening time till every at by the evening time the shops were open, all the businesses were open, and then they were ready for their nightly business. The two men were hungry. Now, from since morning, they were roaming in the hot sun. They did not find even a shelter, and they were very, very hungry. Now that the shops were open, they went to buy some groceries. As the shops were open, they thought, why don't we buy something for us to eat? To their astonishment means what? To their surprise, they found that everything cost the same, a single to do. As we are having 1 rupee here, at that time they were having a single to do, means a single paisa. Means whatever the rates were there in the other villages, same rate was there. There was not such mass difference. Whether they bought a measure of rice or a bunch of bananas, it cost a dudu. Oh, dudu. Okay, what they are telling to say us that whatever you buy, whether you buy rice, whether you buy wheat, whether you buy bananas, whether you buy mangoes, everything cost one dudu. Everything cost one paisa itself. मीन्स सबका भाव एक ही था. आप केले खरीदो, मैंगो खरीदो, राइस खरीदो, वीट खरीदो, पेंसिल खरीदो, कुछ भी खरीदो, आपको एक ही पैसा देना है. हर एक चीज़ के लिए एक ही पैसा देना है. यहाँ पर कैसे आप एप्पल्स लेने जाओगे तो इट इज़ 200 रुपीज़ kgs. When you will go to buy bananas a dozen, it will cost you 40 or 50 rupees a dozen. There is a change in the things according to the items. You will get the means you will pay the price, right? If you want to purchase oil, it is the price is different. If you want to purchase wheat, the price is different. But here what happened, for everything you have to pay one paisa itself. The Guru and his disciples were delighted. They were surprised. Delighted means what? Again, they were astonished or surprised to see what is going on around in this village. They had never heard of anything like this. They could buy all the food they wanted for a rupee. Means whatever they want to buy, just they want they want a rupee. When they had cooked and eaten, the Guru realized that this was a kingdom of fools and it wouldn't be a good idea for them to stay there. Okay? Now, what was the result of it? They got the food, they bought the food, and they got some shelter also. Then they cooked this food, they ate the food, and then from the people they came to know that this is the kingdom of fools. Why? Because a king and the minister are fools. So the public, the people there, the janta there has to be fools itself. Means they were scared of a king and the minister, so they are following them. Okay. Then what they decided? This is no place for us. Let's go. What Guru and disciple are saying? Acha, he said to his disciple, So Guru is saying to his disciple, this is not the place for us. We should run away from this place. Neither we also will become fools like them. But the disciple did not want to leave the place. Everything was cheap here. All he wanted was good, cheap food. And what the disciple so said, no, no, we should not leave this village because here is so cheap. Everything is so cheap. सब कुछ इतना सस्ता है यहाँ पर. जो भी खरीदो आप 1 रुपए में खरीद लेते हो आप. So he did not want to leave this place. The Guru said, they are all fools. They won't last very long. And you can't tell what they will do to you next. Guru was very clever and intelligent person. He knew that what is going to happen in the near future. So he told him that see, this is the kingdom of fools. Whatever they every time they are changing their rules according to their convenience, right? Now they have decided this rule. The other day, what they will decide, we don't know, and they can harm us also. We are new people here, so they can harm us also. But the disciple would not listen to the Guru's wisdom. But the disciple was adamant. He did not pay heed to the Guru's words. He thought, whatever it is, we will stay here. We will some days we will stay here, then we will see what to do. He wanted to stay. The Guru finally gave up and said, do what you want, I am going, and left. Disciple stayed on, ate his fill every day, bananas and ghee and rice and wheat, and grew fat like a street side sacred bull. Guru said, you want to stay here? You can stay here. I am leaving to my village. I am not going to stay with you here for a single moment. Immediately, he took he took his luggage and he went to the village. And then the disciple was staying there for few more days. And there he went on eating all the things because everything was so cheap. Every day he used to buy bananas, ghee, and rice and wheat. And he used to eat so much of food every day because it was so cheap there. And then in some days he was a very fat person like a sacred bull. आपने भैंस देखी है ना? भैंस जैसे वो हो गया था या तो सांड जैसे हो गया था. ठीक है. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सेक्रेड? सेक्रेड बुल मीन्स होली बुल, जिसकी आप पूजा करते हो, जैसे गाय की पूजा करते हो ना, वैसे सेक्रेड बुल मीन्स it is a type of cow only. Bull is also a type of cow. So whom as if you are praising someone or you are worshipping some animal. One bright day, a thief broke into a rich merchant's house. Now, this is the story of that village only. Now, what happened? One bright day means it was bright time. A thief broke into rich merchant's house. There, a merchant also lived. A rich businessman lived. हाँ बोलिए अनिल.
क्या बोला मैम? मैं मुझे कुछ नहीं बोलना.
अच्छा ठीक है, आप सब सुन रहे हो फिर?
हाँ, लेकिन मैं मेरा अभी मैं वापिस जाऊंगा. मैं
घर में से आवाज आ रही है आपके बहुत है नहीं. सबको समझ में आ रहा है आंसर?
नेटवर्क नहीं आ रहा है.
हाँ ठीक है, कोई
हाँ
बात
तो
नहीं.
रहा है.
आपको समझ में आया लेसन?
यस मैम.
जी जी ठीक है. तो अभी एक दिन क्या हुआ, दोपहर की बात थी. एक बार मीन्स देयर वाज अ थेफ्ट. एक चोर चोरी करने आया, एक रिच मर्चेंट रिच बिजनेसमैन के घर चोरी करने आया. he had made a hole in the wall and sneaked in. Means उसने एक दीवार में खड्डा बना. He made a hole in that wall and sneaked in means he went inside that hole. And as he was carrying out his loot, जैसे ही वो अपनी लूट ले रहा था, means he was taking all money, jewelry and diamonds from that house. The wall of the old house collapsed on his head. Now what happened when he was doing this robbery work. At that time, the wall which he has broken, means it collapsed, वो गिर गई, दीवार वो गिर गई on his head, उसके सर पे आके पड़ी, तो शायद ऊपर की जो छत थी वो उसके ऊपर आके गिर गई, and killed him on the spot. And what happened? The thief was killed on the spot, because किसी के ऊपर अगर दीवार गिरेगी तो वो बचेगा नहीं इंसान. His brother ran to the king and complained. Now इस thief का, इस चोर का जो भाई था, वो भाग भाग के राजा के पास गया और कंप्लेन करने लगा. Your Highness, while my brother was pursuing his ancient trade, a wall fell on him and killed him. What the brother is telling, जब मेरा भाई उस घर में गया अपना बिजनेस करने के लिए, he is not telling that he is not telling that my brother went for the robbery there. What he is telling कि हमारा जो पुराना कारोबार करने गया था, वो ancient trade means what, पुराना बिजनेस या पुराना कारोबार करने वो वहाँ पर गया था, तो उसके ऊपर वो दीवार गिर गई और मेरा भाई गुजर गया, मर गया. दिस मर्चेंट इज टू ब्लेम. ये जिसका घर है ना, उसको ब्लेम करना चाहिए क्योंकि उसने दीवार कच्ची बनाई. ही शुड हैव बिल्ट अ स्ट्रॉन्ग वॉल, गुड स्ट्रॉन्ग वॉल. इसने अगर दीवार स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाई होती, अच्छी बनाई होती, तो आज मेरा भाई नहीं मरता, उसके ऊपर वो दीवार नहीं गिरती और वो जिंदा क्यों होता. You must punish this wrongdoer and compensate the family for this injustice. What the brother is demanding, that you have to punish this merchant for his guilt. The wall had fallen on my brother and my brother got killed. So he has to compensate for the family. उसकी फैमिली के लिए उसको पैसे देने पड़ेंगे. अब उसका फैमिली कैसे रहेगा? उसके जो बीवी बच्चे होंगे या उसकी माँ होगी या उसकी फैमिली जो होगी, वो कैसे अभी घर चलाएंगे? तो इसको पैसे भर के देने पड़ेंगे इसके काम के लिए जो उसने गलत किया. The king said, "Justice will be done. Don't worry." And at once summoned the owner of the house. King क्या कहता है? Yes, justice will be done. The culprit will be surely punished, and we will put him behind the bars. So at once, summon means what? At once, immediately, the owner of the house, a rich merchant, was called. When the merchant arrived, the king questioned him. Now again the darbar was set, the court was set, the merchant was called, the thief's brother was there, king was there, ministers were there, and the other courtiers were there. What's your name? Such and such, your highness. So he asked the rich merchant, the king asked the rich merchant, what is your name? He told his name. Were you at home when the dead man burgled your house? So what the king is telling, that were you at home when the thief came for the robbery at your home? Yes, my lord. He broke in and the wall was weak. It fell on him. The accused pleads guilty. Your wall killed this man's brother. You have murdered a man. We have to punish you. Now he told, the king asked him, were you at your home when the robbery was carried out? He told, yes, I was ignorant of the robbery. Means when he entered the wall was already weak. When he broke the wall was weak. And then the other walls also became weak and the main roof fell on him. The thief's brother was asking for compensation and justice. He told that this man should be getting punishment. So the king told, yes, now you have to be punished because this is your mistake. Why you have made your wall so weak? Who is that? My lord, this wall was built in my father's time. I know the man. He is an old man now. He lives nearby. Now what that person is telling, that it is not my mistake. I did not make the wall. The wall was built during my father's time. मेरे पापा जब भी थे तभी बनाई गई थी और जिसने बनाई है ये दीवार मुझे पता है. वो भी पूरा इंसान हो चुका है, उससे पनिशमेंट दीजिए, मुझे
मैम
पनिशमेंट नहीं
आपकी आवाज
दीजिए।
नहीं आ रही।
मैम आपकी आवाज।
यस, कैन यू हियर मी?
मैम
हाँ बोलिए।
मैम आपकी आवाज कट
बोलिए।
कट 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 के आ रही है।
जी, नेटवर्क इशू। आपके यहाँ पर बारिश है ना बच्चा?
नहीं
हाँ
मैम,
जी।
हमारे इधर नेटवर्क इश्यू नहीं है मैम।
आपके इधर नेटवर्क इशू नहीं, क्योंकि आपके यहाँ पर बारिश नहीं होगी ना?
नहीं, बारिश खत्म हो गई।
अच्छा ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, नेटवर्क इशू रहेगा। अभी सुनाई दे रही
मैम
है आवाज़?
एक एक इस
आवाज़
किसको मैम की आवाज नहीं आ रही थी।
सिर्फ प्रिंस को नहीं आ रही, बाकी सबको आ
मुझे
रही
नहीं
है?
आ रही थी।
नहीं मैम, मुझे भी नहीं आ रही। जैसे रेडियो में
ये देखो
सिग्नल
मैम,
नहीं
दूसरा
पकड़ता ना, तो आवाज
मैम
कैसी
मुझे भी
आती है,
नहीं आ
ऐसी
रही
आवाज
थी।
आ रही है मैम।
मैम मुझे भी नहीं आ रही, मुझे
देखो
भी नहीं आ रही।
वेरी गुड। तक्ष, आपको आ रही है आवाज़?
मैम अभी बीच में मैम वो आई कि मैम मैम
स्वयं
आप बात नहीं क्या कर रहे हो वो सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है।
स्वयं आपको आवाज़ आ रही है? स्वयं, are you able to hear me? The king sent out messengers to bring in the bricklayer who had built the wall. They brought him tied hand and foot. Now what was done? The king told that immediately you call that bricklayer person. Bricklayer means the person who made this wall. जिसने ये दीवार बनाई है उसे पकड़ के लेके आइए। और जो उसके जो सैनिक थे, सिपाही थे, दे वेंट इमीडिएटली
मैम
they
आवाज नहीं आ रही।
they went immediately to bring that person, so they brought that person, उसको लेके आए, लेकिन कैसे लेके आए? बांध के लेके आए। they tied his foot and hands, they tied his foot and hands. You there, did you build this man's wall in his father's time? Yes, my lord, I did. What kind of a wall is this that you built? It has fallen on the poor man and killed him. You have murdered him. We have to punish you by death. Before the king could order the execution, the poor bricklayer pleaded, "Please listen to me before you give your orders. It's true I built this wall and it was no good, but that was because my mind was not on it. I remember very well a dancing girl who was going up and down the street all day with her anklets jingling, and I couldn't keep my eyes or my mind on the wall I was building. You must get that dancing girl. I know where she lives." Now the king told that because of you, because of that bricklayer, the poor man has gone killed. Means he lost his life, so he should be punished. The bricklayer should be punished. And when he was about to announce a punishment for the bricklayer pleaded, he requested the king that, "King, it is not my mistake. Actually, when I was building that wall, what had happened, a dancing girl was there who was coming up and down the staircase. Means there was a house next to this house where he was building the wall. There was a house. On that staircase, a girl was moving up and down, and she was wearing anklets at that time. That anklets were making the noise, and it broke my concentration. My mind was not in my work. I was paying attention to her itself, because at that time she went up and down, she was dancing, her voice was there, and I couldn't pay attention on my work. It is not my mistake, it is that dancing girl's mistake who was disturbing to do my work. You are right, the case deepens. Now king was again, he told her, "Okay, that this is not your mistake, that means you are not the guilty one. We have to catch that dancing girl. Why did she disturb you when you were working? We must look into it. It is not easy to judge such complicated cases. Let's get that dancer wherever she is. Now what the king told? This case is becoming complicated now and it is not easy to solve such complicated cases. Go call at once the dancing girl. She is the culprit. Did you walk up and down? The dancing girl, now an old woman. At that time she was a dancing girl. Now she has become the old woman. Came trembling to the court, and she was trembling means what? She was fearing to come to the court. She was afraid, she was scared. Did you walk up and down that street many years ago while this poor man was building a wall? Did you see him? So what the king is asking, were you there on that day when the bricklayer was making the wall? Did you disturb him? Were you walking up and down the streets there, the staircase there? Did you see him? Yes, my lord, I remember it very well. So you did walk up and down with your anklet jingling. Yes. So she said, yes, at that time I was walking, I was doing, means I was dancing at that time. I was walking in the streets, my anklets are there. वो जो घुंघरू पहनते हैं उसमें से तो आवाज़ आती ही है जो डांसर्स पहनते हैं तो you were young and you distracted him. तो क्या बोले, you were young at that time means आपने इसको डिस्ट्रैक्ट, इसको आपने इसके काम से डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया, मीन्स उसके काम पे ध्यान नहीं लगने लगा आपकी वजह से, क्योंकि आप यहाँ वहाँ से दौड़ रही थी अपनी एंकलेट जिंगल करके, मीन्स आपके घुंघरू तभी बज रहे थे, इसीलिए आपके डिस्ट्रैक्शन के कारण मीन्स वो आपको देखने में बिजी था, इसलिए उसने बुरी वॉल बनाई, अच्छी वॉल नहीं बनाई. It had fallen on a poor burglar and killed him. इसकी वजह से ये जो वॉल है उस गरीब इंसान पे गिरी और वो गरीब इंसान जो गरीब चोर था वो मर गया. You have killed an innocent man. You will have to be punished. Now what he said to her, that this is your guilt now. You are found to be in mistake, so you will be punished. She thought for a minute and said, my lord, wait. I know now why I was walking up and down that street. I had given some gold to the goldsmith to make some jewelry for me. He was a lazy scoundrel. He made so many excuses, said he would give it now and he would give it then, and so on all day. He made me walk up and down to his house a dozen times. Now what she is telling, wait my
Ma'am.
lord. हाँ बोलिए.
मैं अभी बैंड करना, वरना फिर मीटिंग खत्म हो जाएगी तो फिर आधा करेगा, छूट
मुझे
जाएगा.
पता है बच्चा, 2 मिनट पढ़े, आई नो दैट. ठीक है. सो व्हाट द गर्ल सेड, वेट माय लॉर्ड. किंग
1 मिनट.
हाँ जी ठीक है. Wait for a minute. What she told, that it was not my mistake. I did not confuse or distract this person. It was a mistake of the jewelry man. Actually, I had given some jewelry. I've given some gold to the jewelry maker to make the jewelry for me. And what he did, he was making excuses every now and then. He told, not now, next time I'll give you, next day I'll give you. He was a lazy scoundrel. Lazy scoundrel means you're a lazy man. He was not giving me my jewelry on time. So I have to travel to him 100 times for that jewelry. And you have to catch that goldsmith because it is not my mistake. It is a mistake of the goldsmith. ठीक है. Now we will wind up here. अब किसकी गलती है? जो सोना बनाता है, जो गोल्ड बनाता है, उसकी गलती है. ठीक है.